Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by booting into recovery. Hold Command+R and watch for the Apple logo. That puts Disk Utility in a safe state. Once in recovery, select the startup disk so you operate on the right volume. This matters because apps and macOS extended use different repair methods. Make a quick backup if you haven't already. Time Machine or an external drive protects you against data loss during repairs. Now open Disk Utility and reveal all devices to show containers and volumes before you proceed. You now run First Aid on the affected volume, select it, click First Aid and let it complete. This checks and repairs file system metadata. If that fails, run First Aid on the parent app's container and finally on the physical disk. Each level can fix different issues. When Disk Utility reports persistent errors, open Terminal in Recovery and run Diskutil list to identify disk identifiers like disk11 so you can target commands precisely. Use Diskutil repair volume or repair disk only when you have the correct identifier. When repairs fail, erase the disk. Choose GUID partition map, pick apps for modern Mac OS or Mac OS extended for older systems, then reformat. You do this because a clean file system removes corruption. Once formatted, restore your backup or reinstall Mac OS from recovery to return to a working state. If problems persist, check SMART status in Disk Utility or run Apple Diagnostics. A failing SSD/HDD requires hardware replacement. If you see recurring errors,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.